Hello friends, hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to show you and come up with amazing crochet top designs for girls. You can wear it with pant, with jeans, with bikini, whenever you want. And these are the latest designs with different color schemes, some light color, some bold color, some cool color, some warm color. So you can customize it the way you want it to be, and you can use different types of colors on different types of designs, and you can make these designs for your customers, and you can take orders. You can put these pictures on your accounts and your instas, facebook, wherever you want it to be. And look at this one. Oh my god, this is so cool. I love it. Yeah, if you like the video, do share with your friends, subscribe the channel, and follow for more. And don't forget to press the bell icon button to get the latest update about the new and upcoming designs and patterns of crochet. Yeah, these are the tops, and we'll come up with more designs with dresses and shawls, scarves, and much more. So do support me and follow for more. Bye bye, have a good day, take care.